And this video consists of the latest part or the remaining part. So certain things are there, it should be discussed here in this video, and during live class we'll have some question and answer, general knowledge based question and answer, so that we can enhance our common sense. Given below are some of the rights that the United Nations Convention on Rights of the Child, CRC, directs all countries in the world to agree to. Tick one that you feel you have. I have the right to live. I have the right to make friends. I have the right to be safe. I have the right to play. I have the right to practice my own religion and use my own language. I have the right to food and clothes and a place to live. I have a right to learn and go to school. I think most of you have all these rights. If I were a child, if I were a student, during my childhood, I had all these facilities. That I had the right to live, I had best friends, even I felt safe. I played many a times, at least once a day, every day at afternoon I used to play. I have the rights to practice what my own religion, worship my own religion. Then I have right to food, clothes and place to live. I have right to learn and go to school. So here I will not infuse, or here I will not dictate my preferences. I want these are to be done by your done by you own. So what you should do, taking a pencil, tick these things in your book. Make full use of this exercise, and that will be very nice. That will be very nice of you. Next, exercise and discuss. Given above some of the rights that every child should have in this world. Just read it. Which according to you is the most important right to be the best person that one can be? Right below, share with the class. Sharing with the class cannot be done presently, so that one I am just terminating from this part. Share with the class. Okay. Instead of class, we'll write live class. During live class, we'll share it. What I want, this one you should try by your own. This very one. Okay. This should be your personal choice, and I'm not going to tell you that which one you are going to choose, because you have different opinion, you have different concept. So according to your idea, you choose any of these points and write down. This is the most important one for a student, for a child, to get developed, to grow up and become a successful and a good person. Next page you can see, think about and discuss. How would you feel if someone disrespects your rights? Obviously, if someone disrespects my rights, I'll feel bad. I'll feel down, and obviously I will protest. What did you do if someone disrespects your rights? It is written what? It was how. If someone disrespects my child, my rights, first thing that I'm going to do, tell him or her not to do that. Saying someone yes or no is the best possible answer that we can give. Please don't do that. That will be the best answer. Do you think everyone in your class should respect others' right if he wants his or her rights to be respected? Obviously. We are all individual human beings. We have different tastes, different choice, different likes, different dislike. Everything is different. So what should we do? We should obviously respect each other's feelings. Exercise and discuss. From group, think about the things that everyone should say, do to protect others' rights, so that everyone can live a dignified life. Write them under those column. Think about the things that everyone should not say or do to avoid violating others' rights. So write them under the don'ts column. Everyone should be treated fairly in the classroom. So do's mean we should be polite, and humble. And what should not be? We should not be. So here we wrote in sentence, here I am just writing in one word, rude. We should not be rude. This side what we should do? We should respect each other. And this side, what it should not be done? We should not be bullying anyone. That should not be done. That should not be done. Next, what we should do? We should respect teachers. And what we should not do? We should not disturb the class. I want 1, 2, 3, 4, even 5. I want you to write this more 5 parts. Okay. So try to make 10 do's and don'ts so that it should be a fair one. It should be a nice composition. Now I know, and this is what I think. Now that you know that meaning of rights and why everyone is in this world should be treated fairly, think about the things that you say or do that sometimes do not allow others to be the best they can be. For example, if you make fun of classmate because he speaks a language different than you or from you, now think about how the person may feel. Write down using the feeling word how you think they may feel. Here are some feelings word to help you. You may use the same word more than once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have total 11 words. So you can see 2 columns are there. Things I say or to do others. This is how I think they may feel. So it may be both negative and positive things, and how is the reaction of your friend, that should be written here. Hope you can do this one nicely. This is not a homework. Homework will be sent via Teno in a different way. So these are not homework, these are the practice. Okay. So here if I write, I say good morning to my friends. This is how I think they may feel. They feel good, they feel they are special. So they are treated like this. So certain things you should write here, which you should do and or should not do, and what would be reaction, what would be the reaction of the listener. So here you conclude the class today. We'll have the live class also, so we'll discuss further. Thank you.